Tapos, sa view cube pa rin, yung lower left ng southwest, yung corner, click. Automatic ko, exploded na yan. Solo, level 2. Tama? And then, ayusin lang natin, section box. And then, hanapin po natin yung ceiling. So, dalag-dalag ng konti. Definitely, dapat may ceiling para hanap tayo naman na pala ng konti.
Meron po yan sa
Meron ba ito?
Apo.
So, para madali,
Select all.
pwede browsing selection, filter tool under selection panel. Check na, check lang yung ceiling. And then apply, okay. Right click. Override. Graphic sim view by element, select. Under view specific element graphics, under foreground, papalitan natin ellipsis button, solid fill. Okay. And then yung color, your preferred color. So say red. And then click OK. And then do not forget to add transparency under surface transparency. So lagay natin 47 will do. Apply. Okay.
Half. Ay, yung half. Ay, hindi pala
Yung half tone po sa mga ibang elements yun.
Except ceiling.
Ceiling. Okay, so half tone natin. Crossing selection. Selection panel. Filter tool.
Unset. Check.
Tatanggalin. So, ina-uncheck yung ceiling kasi meron na siya apply. Okay. Yung other elements, right click. Override graphics in view element.
After.
Half tone. Check. Apply. Okay. And then, go to project browser. Ito yan, 3D view. Click rename. Halimbawa lang saleable space. And then click right click, duplicate view, duplicate. Lagay natin yung other zone mo. So rename. Halimbawa non-saleable. And then do the modification of non-saleable. Same process will apply. Okay? Anong next?
Unhide. Ay, hide. Hide level.
Linisin.
Hide level and ano, section box.
Ano daw linisin? Right click ang hide. Okay na? Tapos load ng papel. Click, hold, drag. So alam niyo na yan, madali lang naman. Click, right click, new sheet. Load kayo dito, hover. Pili. Halimbawa A1. So mag-call siya, selected, okay. Ito siya. Automatic yan, yung numbering mo, continuous pa rin. Kung mag-add ka rin ng papel, palagi lang mo. New sheet. Okay, right click. Tapos click, hold, drag. And then make sure available sa gitna yung temporary alignment. Hidden line, click. Hintayin lang mabasa. Battery click. And then, halimbawa malinis na yan na kunwari lang. DL tayo. Underline style, hidden. Kunin mo yung mga corner. Etc. Etc.